Very good morning, everyone. So today we are going to start our new video of ANURUPEYNA, and in this video you will learn the first fundamental of multiplication. So you will learn here how to multiply any number with 11. So let's start with the first example. Example number 1. Let's say you have to multiply 43 with 11. So you try this answer, try to solve this question. I'm giving you a minute time. Pause the video and solve this question. Okay, let me resume now. So what is a new technique for you? That you should write the rightmost digit only, 3. Just write the rightmost digit and then make a slash. Then write the sum of 2 digits, 4 and 3. Then write the leftmost digit, 4. So I'm repeating that first you have to write the rightmost digit, that is 3. Then you have to add the 2 digits, 4 and 3. And then you have to write the leftmost digit. After this, it is 4, it is 7, it is 3. So our answer is 473. So that is the answer for our question. Isn't it new? Okay, let's do some more examples. Example number 2. For say you have to multiply 72 with 11. You try to do this question by the same technique that I have just told you. Pause the video, try to do the same question with the help of same technique. Now, what you have to do, you have to write the rightmost digit, that is 2. Then you have to add the 2 digits, that is 7 and 2. And then you have to write the leftmost digit, that is 7. So it is 7, this is 9, and this is 2. So our answer is 792. Isn't it cool? Example number 3. For say you have to multiply 53 or let's say 54 with 11. So try to do this question now. So what is your answer? Give me your answer in the comment box. So what will you do? You will say that there will be a 4 and then there will be 5 plus 4 and then there will be only 5. Means there is 5, there is 9, there is 4. So our answer is 594. I hope these 3 examples are clear to everybody. Okay, let's move on to some different examples. Now, for example, you have to multiply. Example number 4. You have to multiply 83 with 11. So in this case, start doing the same approach. You will say that there must be 3 at the rightmost side. And then there is 8 plus 3 in the bottom. And then there is only 8 at the leftmost side. So when you do the addition things, it is 8, this is 11, and this is 3 only. So now the new thing for you, you will write only 3. Okay, that is fine for you. There is only 3. But there is some change in this question that you have to keep only single digit in each group. Okay, you have to keep only the single digit in each group. So for say you have to keep only in 11, what will you keep? So you will keep this 1 only. So this one is there. Then what will you transfer? What do you do with the next one? So this one, that is, I am highlighting right now, this one is transferred to the next number, and 8 plus 1 will give you 9. So that's our answer, 913. What I have done, that you have to keep only the rightmost digit of 11, that is this one, and the one that is ahead of the previous one, this one has to be transferred to the next number. Let me take some other examples. For example, you have to multiply 79 with 11. So there you write that there is 7. You can write in any manner. Either you can start writing from the left or right. Okay. Just now after this, there is 7, there is 16, 7 plus 9, and there is only 9. So what you have to do, you have to keep only 9. Okay, this 9 will be there. And what about 16? So in 16 you will keep only 6. In 16 you will keep only 6. Then what about this 1? So this 1 has to be transferred to the next number. And then this 7 and 1 will make 8. So our answer is 869. Let me take another example. For example, you have a number 99 with 11. Okay, 99 with 11. So you say that the rightmost is 9. The middle is 9 plus 9, 18. Should I write this? Okay. And then the leftmost is 9 itself. So the rightmost 9 is there. And then in 18 you have to keep only 8. So what can we do for this one? We have to transfer this one to the next number. And this 9 and 1 will merge to make it 10. So our answer is, this 9 and 1 will make it 10. So our answer is 1089. So that is our first level of multiplication with 11. But this is only fundamental. We will do many questions. We can do any type of number, any 3-digit, 4-digit number with 11. For now, try to solve some questions of your own. Okay, take your own questions because there is nothing homework. I will give you homework after the whole complete level so that I can cross-check your skills. For now, you can take any question of your own and try to solve the question by the help of new technique that you have just learned, and then cross-check your answer with the help of calculator. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.